Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to create a series of values using Excel's Fill Series feature. Excel's Fill Series allows you to create a series of values based on a pattern. For example, if I want to quickly create 1 to 10, I can type in 1, hold Control, click and hold, and then drag. I get 1 to 10 in that order. If I want to do a series that increases by 10, example, I can start with first 2. Once it reads this pattern, this time I don't hold Control, I could just drag this and I get that. Now, there are advanced ways you can use this. So as an example, I want to create a date series. Now, I want to exclude weekends from this date series. To do this, I can start with the first date and right click, hold and drag down. Okay, so when I release my mouse, I get this option, series. Now over here, you can increase this particular date by days, which will just essentially add 1 day to the dates going onwards, or you can add 1 day but exclude weekends. Okay, so here you can choose this date unit to increase this by. So I click this and you observe that I go through up to 15th May, jumps the weekends and then comes to 18th. That's one way to do this. You can also use the fill series to apply growth rates. So example, if I put in 100, I can manually calculate a 10% growth rates on this and copy down, and I get this. If I don't want to use formulas, I could use the fill series to achieve same. So here I start with 100, right click and drag down, and then I get series. So over here I'll choose growth and then put in my step value, which is 110% in this case, and then I click OK. Okay, so those are the various options available when you use Excel's advanced fill series on dates and on values as well. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Please visit and subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching.